Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard training. It's Thursday the 29th of June 2023. I'm here early for a change at Anfield Road. The workers are cracking on already all over the stand, which is great to see. Brick work continues, more whiteboarding is going up. There's quite a lot of activity inside the stand. So we're going to take a quick walk around the bottom, see what is what, and then we're going to take the drone up, have a look from the air. I'll try and get the video out later tonight. Maybe early hours in the morning because of the other day job to go to, but I'll take a quick walk around, see what's going on. The crane, yeah, they took the crane down, so I'm not sure if that's going to be needed anytime soon. It is quite busy on site. Yeah, well, that cladding's got a door on you, and it's surprising how much light the gap lets in. So if the floodlights aren't even working yet, you can see why that's been left till a later date. There's Casey Image Works over there doing his job. They're on their way. Yeah, I think there's going to be a real change after next week on this side. Definitely. I think this side is going to shoot up rapidly. A lot of painting left to do on the supports up there. Just carry on walking around. More brick lane going up at the top there above the window. Not a lot left to do there, to be fair, by the looks of it. Same again, maybe that window. It's just a cosmetic job, really, just to finish off quickly. There's those gaps in question, but there's let in a lot of light. The work is inside. It's really just sound really busy on site today. Any more supplies in the car park that have arrived. They weren't there yesterday, so there's going to be a lot going on very soon. Yeah, I think we're going to get the drone up, guys. See what we can see from above. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe. There's quite a few holes to fill in there. Probably damaged from when they take the scaffolding down, but just a quick fix really. Right, let's get the drone up.